36 with my messy table. This is Global 1940 No Limits house rule game, and the Americans are all lined up ready for Normandy. We actually took Normandy, but he'll take it back. But then you know what'll happen. We'll come back at him. But right now the action is far south of Normandy. It's in Egypt, where a force of 10 Italian infantry, 1 artillery, 1 mech, and 6 German infantry and an Italian tank face off against forces that are coming from both the Anglo-Egyptian Sudan as well as the Transjordan. Yep. 10 Italian infantry, 6 German, 1 artillery, 1 mech, and 1 tank for the Italians. Yep. Now the British are surrounding Egypt, and the assault will be composed of 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 infantry. Oh, I'm sorry. Whoops. We're going to hike some of those up to the zone here. 2 mech, 4 artillery, 3 tanks, and in addition to that, we have 2 bombers coming in and a Mosquito from Transjordan, 2 fighters from Malta, and then 1 fighter, a long-range aircraft from Gibraltar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and with the air base in Gibraltar, I'll be able to land in Transjordan. And then in addition to that, from Algeria, I'm bringing, from 92, I'm bringing 3 infantry on transports. This is a little safer than you would think, because the transports can escape after 1 round of combat. So, and I believe that is the only action we have going on, which is certainly enough. Let's see if I can get my... All right, we have some fighting to do. Okay, got my hands free. I am going to go with the dice. Okay, so we have a lot. So we have more than we had last time. So that was 7. We have 8 chips. I don't have all my black dice for some reason. So 8 chips. Actually, I'm going to go with 8, and then infantry in the 1 category, 8. I'm sorry, that's not 8. No, that is 8. 8, 9, 10, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 ones? Yep. Yep. So I'm counting 16 ones, right? Okay, 16 ones going into the can. Poopers. Okay, hopefully. Okay, so let me count them up, make sure. 4, 8, 12, 16. And I got 1, 2, 3 hits. I do like the way those black dice pop. Not Grasshopper's dice, but my regular black dice. They pop really well. Oh, they pop really well with my black felt. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 twos, which I can do all with Grasshoppers. And so that was 3 hits, right? So let me just let me use my little... Where did that go? Oh, there it is. There we go. This is my little abacus. 3 hits at the top. Okay, so then 8. I am a mess today. Okay. 1, 2 more. Okay, so 2 more with the green dice. Okay, see all these people with their nice furniture. But Okay, so then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blues. Okay. Oh, there we go. 4 hits. 4 of this. That's nice. So 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 3 reds. And that's 1 more hits. So I believe that's probably 10. 10 hits. Yep. Okay, so Italian infantry gone. Okay, so then we will shoot back with, so that's 10 and 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 greens. Let's count those up. Alright, so I've got 5, and then I've got 10, and then I've got 4 more. I guess that's it. And then I'll count these 2 green ones. That's 16. I don't see any others. Okay. Okay, yep. So I've got 5, 10, 15, 16. So I'm going to have to do 2 of the greens over, and then the blue for the tank. Okay, so I'm going to drop them all in. And this will drive somebody nuts. That I'm just going to shake it. All right. Oh, oh, nice. Oh, nice for us. Nice for us. Only 4 hits. So, but he gets 2 more. And no, he misses. Oh my goodness. What? Yep. What did I say? What did I say? 3 hits or 4 hits? Okay, 3. Okay, that's what I thought. Okay, so that would be. I think it was 3. I could always rewind it and watch it, but I think it was 3. And so then I'm gonna take 3 off, and then I would roll a bunch of black dice again. But I'll roll from the top. No, I still have a lot to go. But I will roll from the top. So I'll roll 3 reds and 6 blues, and see how that goes. Okay. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, wow. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 more hits with the reds and the blues. Okay. And then the greens, 1, 2, 3, 8. 8 greens. So then 2, 4, 6, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4 hits. 4 more. That's it? Okay. That was 11 more hits. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, good. So then he would roll back with 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6, 8 twos, and 1 3. Okay, 4, 8. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4. 4 hits. Wow. Okay, 4 hits. Okay, so that would be 4 hits. So that would be 7 with a possibility. I'm going to look, see if it was an 8th. I'll just put something on that. Or put that on something. I'm going to put that under a 2. Okay, I'm going to check that out. All right, so that would mean complete victory. So then we moved those to Egypt. We still don't have Alexandria. It's too bad. I would have got a bonus this time. But that was an excellent battle. So there we go. Who can complain? The French will take it. That's right. No complaints. Wow, that is a lot of British guys. Okay, so the guy from Gibraltar has to land in Transjordan or Sudan. And then the guys from Malta go 1, 2, 3, and they could go further, but there's no real way to go except for Cyprus. Actually, is a place they could go. If that had an air base, it would reach Moscow. Yep. Oh, that's right. That'd be 3. So then the bombers, though. The bombers can go to Malta for sure. Bombers could probably go. Oh, the bombers can go anywhere, actually. Do I have any infantry anywhere? Malta. Okay, Malta. Malta it is. Just to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, if we had an air base in Transjordan, we could have made it to London, but we don't. I could go to Gibraltar, but I don't think that helps me necessarily. Yes, that's true. Yep, I do. Okay, Malta it is. And the Mosquito will go back to Transjordan. Okay, so then 2 guys come from South Africa, go on the railroad, choo up to Sudan, and then 1 guy has to do his walkie-walkie thing, and I'm just going to change that out right here, and those will stay put, and then I'm going to take my guys in Persia and march them up to northwest Persia, and that'll become, put my flag there. Where's my flag? Must be a British flag around here somewhere. There's one. I'll put it over here. Okay, and let's see. The sub is no longer needed in 105, so I was going to bring it down to 91, make my way to 97. Yeah. Oh, the seaport. I could go 3, 92. I can go to 92. Very good. Okay. And now I can take my transport from 91 and take it up to 110 and drop those guys in London, preparing for the big assault on the beaches. And that might be it on my messy board. Okay, let's see here. Okay, I will place my units on the board. 2 transports in 110, and 3 infantry, 2 infantry and a mech in Persia. And then 3 infantry in London. All right, No Limit took a lot of time to talk me out of doing Normandy this turn in a big bad way. But that Egypt looks pretty stinking good. I just got to get those guys moving somewhere. So looks like I need a factory in there to start pumping people everywhere. Okay, but that's probably not going to happen. I will check the video to see how many I lost. But I think in the first round we lost 3. And now for a recap. For money, I would now be back up to 28. Plus I'd have 28 plus Brazil. So that's 28, 30. And then Ethiopia, 31. And then Persia, 32, 33. And then Egypt, no. So $33. I'd have $33. As far as I know, that seems weird. Seems like I had one. Should have more. All right. Yep, it does. It does. All right. Let's do the recap. 92, Suzone 92 has a destroyer and a sub. Malta has 2 bombers, infantry, and an anti-aircraft. 98 has a transport. 81 has a transport and a destroyer. And down in South Africa, there's, I guess, I'll just wait. South Africa has single infantry. Oh, he'll be able to use the chug next turn for three. And then Sudan has 2 infantry. And then Transjordan over here has 3 fighters and a mosquito. And then in Egypt, there is a mess. So I'm seeing 3 tanks right there. And then there's 2 mechs. I see 2 mechs. One here. Oops, there's one. And there's another. And then I have just a swarm of infantry that I'm going to line up in the desert here. How many? Okay, we have a testimony that it's 11. So I better hurry because my earbud just said battery low. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and oh yeah, and then if that one is indeed saved, it is 11. So I'm just going to check that in the video. I'll put that on top of the dice. Yep. Okay, yeah, 4 artilleries. Okay, and that's Egypt. And then 110 has 3 transports. And then London has 1, 2, 3, 4 infantry, 1 artillery, 1 mech, and 5 anti-aircrafts. And that would be Crockett 36, turn 5 of No Limits. What? Oh, Persia. Northwest Persia has 3 infantry. Persia has a mech and 2 infantry. And that would be it. It would be Crockett 36 for No Limits 12th game, house rule game of X. That's enhanced? No. What is it again? X is expansion enhanced Global 1940 house rules. This is UK 5. All right, good luck, Schulte.